Hi guys, it is 7 something in the morning and I'm up because we're going to the beach. Clearly somebody is quarantined. I would have still been on my bed, but no, we gotta go to the beach. Yo, my face is breaking out big. This is crazy. But yeah, we're going to the beach. This is disrespectful. We're going to the beach, and I'll be vlogging for today. All right, goodbye. So it's 10 o'clock, and I'm still in the car. We almost there. We stopped, but we almost at the beach, I think. We stopped, and I've just given y'all an update. It is like 10 o'clock, I think. Okay, so I'll be there. If you get naughty, baby, here's my phone. Slide with your boy to the bar, slide with your boy to the car. I've been searching everywhere, and now here you are. Ooh, chugging. Let's do this. You gotta turn it up. You gotta crank it. Push up, break it, break it, shut up, boom. What y'all trying to do? 24-karat magic in the air. Here's the just so pale. Look out. Pop, pop, it's showtime. 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 Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. They don't know. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Shut up, we're going to minutes. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Now they get a color red to blue. Ooh, boom. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're breaking all the time to keep up. Where you at? Fix your face. This is what's happening. This is what's happening right now. This is what's happening right now. This is what's happening right now.
It's too hot.
It definitely is hot. They picked the right day to come to a beach.
I want this.
Spend $50 on groceries.
It's like 95 degrees this day, 93 this day.
Hello.
Those glasses are beautiful though.
We are at the beach.
Beautiful? Yeah.
Well, we're not on the beach, but we're at the beach.
We're not at the beach, but we're at the beach. That makes
So
total sense.
I said we're not on the beach. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Let me tell you something.
I know.
Jace, this is what our lives have come to. Going to the beach with mask on. Like, we gotta have masks on to come to the beach.
Keep this inside the car.
You don't even have your mask, do you? Better use that towel, boy.
Ooh. Big baller.
But, like, I would really like to point out that we was in that car from 7 o'clock this morning. And it's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. We just getting here. It's ghetto. It's ghetto.
He had that stuck on his head.
But,
And we're still not settled.
right. And it's real hot. It's real live hot.
Nice jacket fire.
Jada,
That's the thing that landed.
are you excited?
Yeah, but then again, stop.
Clearly. We've been up for way too long.
I just want to go get in the water, bro.
Exactly.
I just want to go put my toes in the sand, honestly.
And with your feet to burn off. What's wrong with you, woman?
I will be back when we get on the beach so I can tell you what it looks like. All right. We made that. Jada,
I was caught my hair.
I can go now? Bad.
we are on.
America, can I go? Can I go now?
Jace. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We on the beach. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's crouchy.
Who got free hands?
You know the vibe.
Can't really.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to find some water so I can put some sand on my face.
Put it in the water.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't go out too far.
Y'all, it's really hot. And I don't know what. And I think I'm chewing sand. This is so ghetto. But it's really hot. I am sitting under this umbrella.
Is that on me?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
What is what?
Did you get?
Y'all. You want to say hi to my YouTube channel?
Huh?
You want to say hi to my YouTube
Not
channel?
right this second. I'm like a sweaty pig.
I'm about to pass out, okay? Pass out. Just do that. That's what it is. But yeah, I am currently on the beach and I'm about to die.
There we go. I got it off on
But just coming to let y'all know that I'm on this beach and it is really hot.
Baby, it's that way.
I am wet now. Now I'm wet.
So she fell.
Trying to be cute and run away from the water. And I fell.
But good. Oh, now the sun wanna come out.
I didn't panic. Because you know any other time.
Let's do this.
gotta turn it up. You gotta crank it.
Put up, bring it, back up, get up, move. What y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Here's the just okay. Look out. Pop, pop, it's showtime. Showtime. Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. They don't know. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Shut up, we're wearing Cuban links. Designer mix. Everyone's body shoes. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Now they get a color red to blue. Ooh, shit. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're breaking all the time to keep up. Where you at? Fix your face. Ain't no phony, I'm trying to keep up. Come on, man. Come on. Put your pinky face up. Keep up. Mood. Cause what y'all trying to do? 24 karat.
Alright, so I'm back in the car. We're on our way home. And I'm tired. And I know everybody else is freaking tired. And I just want to say the waves were real disrespectful in Delaware. Real disrespectful. Like, but I had fun, even though I fell twice. And yeah, but make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Like, just said that. Comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in the next